welcome to my channel. Now take a look at this. See that? Now look at my face. See that? Now I personally think that my hands look similar to my face. Now today I have a wonderful treatment for your hands. I am going to show you how you could have your hands looking young, fresh and bright. This treatment is going to remove the wrinkled arms. It's going to take care of the roughness. It's going to have your hands smooth to the touch, and basically it's going to have your hands matching your face or even looking younger than your face. So if you're interested in this video, come with me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to take care of your hands. To make our hands exfoliator, I'm going to be using some baking soda. Baking soda is a powerful exfoliant that breaks down and removes the cluster of dead skin cells from the surface of the skin. I'm going to be using lemon. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and citric acids, so they help to lighten and brighten the skin over time. And I'm also going to be using some milk. Milk moisturizes, hydrates, and nourishes dry skin. Milk keeps the skin looking youthful by combating free radicals that age skin. Water, and you're going to need some warm water for this. And you're also going to need a bowl, anything that is big enough to cover your hands with water when you place it in it, okay? Now the first thing we're going to do, we're going to pour our milk in the bowl. And this is about 2 cups of milk. This is warm water. And we're going to add about 4 cups of water. Next, we're going to add our baking soda. And we're going to add about 3 tablespoons of baking soda. And then you're just going to mix this in. And you're going to put this to the side. Next, we're going to prepare our lemon. And I'm using a medium lemon. And you only need a half of a lemon for both ends. So, I'm going to cut my lemon. And this is what I'm going to be using. So I'm going to take some more baking soda. And I'm just going to place it on this area where I'm going to be exfoliating my hands. And that's about 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Now, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to exfoliate the hands. And this is my lemon. So I'm going to squeeze my lemon. Squeeze it in my baking soda. And then I'm going to rub the lemon and baking soda over my hands. And then I'm going to take my lemon and I'm going to exfoliate my hands with it. Just squeeze. And then exfoliate. Same thing on the other one. Don't forget the knuckles. Fingernails. You're going to take your hands. Ooh, nice. So you're going to take your hands and you're going to soak them in the milk, baking soda, and warm water. And you're going to soak them for about 5 minutes. Just leave them in there. Soak them. And then you're going to just dry your hands. Do not rub, just dry. Pat dry. And then you're going to apply your favorite moisturizer. I'm just using some vitamin E oil. I'm just going to massage the hands. Oh, this feels really, really good. Really, really nice. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. Remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video. And if this was the first time watching, subscribe on your way out. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.